Hi. It's 5:08, 5:09, and I just got back from school. Actually, I stayed after being rehearsed for a play. My part's really fun because, like, I'm really mean to everybody in the play, and I have to yell at everybody and just scream. Just run around the stage like a drunken idiot, and I've got this big feather boa. It's fun. I don't know what I'm doing to my hair. So once again, I got bored. I gotta think a question to ask you guys. What is the weirdest thing someone has ever said to you? The weirdest thing someone has ever said to me, probably. I was at Walmart, and I was in my 4th grade. Some girl thought I was Hannah Montana. She runs up to me screaming Hannah. I'm like, I was with my friend who's actually named Hannah, and I'm like, that's Hannah. She's like, oh, you're not Miley Cyrus. Like, no, I'm not Miley Cyrus. I had, like, long hair, then, like, wavy. It wasn't really, it was, like, brownish black. It was, I don't know. Say hi to my dog. Greta! Say hi, Coffee! No, say hi to the camera. Say hi to the camera. Oh. Some people's dogs look like. Another question. Come here. Lick my ears. Greta, bad girl. There's my white German Shepherd puppy. Yeah, she's a puppy. But the thing about white German Shepherds is a lot of people, they call them a mutation and act like they don't exist. But they will not be recognized in dog shows. I think it's stupid. They're racist towards my dog because she's white. Greta! Here she comes. Hi! Freak. Yeah. Hi. Why are you making that face at me? Aww. Good girl. Another question. Do you think my dog's cute? Answer all of those questions or any of them. I really do whatever you want. I just got an IM from my friend. I will see what it says. It says, regular message you get. LOL, I love you. Hello, girl. Oh, hey. LOL. There's 7 people online. Let's see this. Felicia, Keegan, Luke, Tim, Tyler, Casey, Chelsea. Casey! He's my friend. Hi. Aww. Keegan just IM'd me. Oh. I have not talked to her for a while when I moved away. Oh, my computer froze up. Now this video will go on for hours because I won't be able to stop it. Oh, never mind. Alright, well, bye. I'm not going to let this video go on for hours. Bye. I'm just kidding.